Happy Kids Academy and Maahie. Hello there. Today, we will be unboxing these ABCD coloring cards. Before we begin the video, we kindly ask that you subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Wow! That's amazing! A. A for apple. B. B for birds. C. C for camel. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for flower. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M for mug. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for panda. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sweets. T. T for tap. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. One mug. Two. Two jokers. Three. Three apples. Four. Four rabbits. Five. Five watermelons. Six. Six ice cream. Seven. Seven oranges. Eight. Eight yaks. Nine. Nine sweets. Thank you for viewing this video. Please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next amazing video.